What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you guys that I have started loading up on, not only in my retirement account but also in my regular trading account. And that stock, as you guys know, it is Pershing Square, ticker symbol PSTH. Now this SPAC has not announced any merger, and it probably won't be announcing any merger anytime soon for the next probably few months. And this stack is personally owned by Bill Ackman, the hedge fund manager. This guy has made several billions of dollars over the years as being a hedge fund manager. He has had a lot of successful trades, he also has done a successful SPAC a long time ago. So this guy is not someone who's new to the SPACs. He has a lot of experience. And his first SPAC that he did was Burger King. If you guys really look into it, I'm going to go over some research with all the information that I have found and gathered as to why I think this SPAC is going to be one of the best SPAC mergers ever existed and created. And also why you are putting your money in a relatively safe SPAC and not as speculative as all the other SPACs out there. We're going to do a lot of chart analysis. Where do I predict that this SPAC could be headed once it does announce a merger? What kind of companies they might merge with, and anything relative that you should know, whether regarding risks or rewards that you could be putting your money into this stock. We're going to go over that. So with that said, let's not waste any more time. Make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel and I do appreciate it. So with that said, let's begin. Yeah. Alright, guys, let's check out what's going on with Pershing Square, ticker symbol PSTH. As you guys can see right now, the past few weeks, Pershing Square has been taking off and it's been on a uptrend. And that is because people are getting very anxious and they think Bill Ackman has been getting very close to finally finding a stock or a company he wants to merge with his SPAC. And people are just rushing in and buying up the shares, and because they're feared that they're going to miss out and Bill Ackman is suddenly going to announce some kind of merger coming out, and they don't want to miss up the run-up. And as you guys can see right now, this stock is on a bullish uptrend. It is continuously going up, and pretty much Thursday, it was one of the only fewest SPACs that was actually up. All the other SPACs were pretty much going down the drain on a downward spiral, and it is the only one that is going up. It is bullish on all the charts. TSI has crossed over around the $26 mark, and it has been moving up. The histogram has been pointing up. MACD has already converted, and it's been pointing up. RSI is already getting into extreme zone, and it's saying it is getting a little bit overvalued too quickly. And I don't think it's going to stop here, right? It's already past the 200-day and the 20-day moving averages, and I don't think this is going to stop. It is going to continuously go up because a lot of big time investors like banks like Wells Fargo and so many other insiders are already buying it up. And usually we don't get banks buying up SPACs, right? But this is one of the fewest SPACs out there that people are trusting Bill Ackman because they know this guy is a multi-billion-dollar. He does his research very well, and he does not just go and buy any company. His own ETF has been outperforming the markets, and he's doing very well. So a lot of big banks, a lot of big investors, a lot of big hedge fund companies are also investing in Pershing Square because they believe in this company, right? They believe in Bill Ackman making a good transaction. He did a really good one with Burger King a couple years ago when they took it SPAC merger, and now Burger King is a multi-billion-dollar industry as well, as you guys know. And I don't think anything of this less he would do with this. This is one of the world's largest SPAC in existence. And the next one that's close to it is a couple $1 billion shy. This is a $4 billion SPAC already. It is 3 times as big as the largest SPAC right now. And its market cap right now is about $4 billion. And Bill Ackman said that he will even add an additional $3 billion more into this SPAC once he does find the right company he wants to merge with, right? And that's just the beginning, right? So it's going to be a total of a $7 billion company Bill Ackman wants to pump into this, all right? And Bill Ackman was making it very clear. I'm going to go over all the details you guys need to know in the next upcoming slides. I said this is already a $4 billion SPAC, right? He already put $4 billion worth of this SPAC, and he does plan on adding another $3 billion more, potentially bringing this fund up to a $7 billion SPAC. Bill Ackman also said that he's not taking any compensation, no management fees, no incentive fees, no promotes, and he's trying to also limit the warrants as well, and he's not taking any fees for this. He's pretty much, we're not buying a cheap stock, right? This is not some cheap garbage SPAC that is speculative. He's trying to do something that is extremely clear, and it's not a compensation, promotion, or warrant type of a or a sponsored type of a SPAC. He wants something that is truly a mature unicorn, right? Something that is going to make a lot of money, not just for insiders, but also for shareholders long term. So he's expecting, once this merger goes through, shareholders who do keep this company long term will benefit from it in a long term perspective as well. Not like these other SPACs that they shoot up over like 200% and then they die within the next month, all going back to the ground. So this isn't the type of company he's looking for, that is just going to be all hype and then die. One thing that I really respect that he's doing is that he is trying to discourage any stock share dilution that the company might have. So people who are shareholders won't feel like they're going to be diluted holding this as a long-term shareholder, right? So you're not going to be hearing offering just happen at $30. Offering happened at $35 like NNDM right now. Pretty much every $2 it goes up. Nano Dimension keeps on having offerings. This is something he wants that long-term shareholders can feel safe and happy to be part of as a shareholder of this SPAC merger. Like I said, he's looking for a mature unicorn company that is well worth over $1 billion. He's aiming somewhere from around $10 billion plus. That's his approach to it. He wants a unicorn company that is not speculative, no fakes like Nikola, a private company that has a massive amount of market cap, and his aim is somewhere between a 10 to 15 billion dollar company, right? He wants a competitive company that is predictable and cash flow positive, with low risks, no downside, unpredictable, like so many of these other SPACs that people are just buying up and it just gets destroyed within the merger goes through. As you guys can see, some huge insiders are buying, like this hedge fund manager, Steph Harlem. He purchased a $400 million worth of shares into PSTH. And this guy is known to be an investor just like Warren Buffett, who only goes after valuable companies who are good for, that you would be willing to hold for the next 5 to 10 years and not be worried. And this is the type of SPAC Bill Ackman is offering to people like us, to not just shareholders, but insiders and everyone else. He wants everyone to feel like this is something worth investing and not just going in for the quick hype and selling out quickly. As you guys can see, a lot of institutional investors are already dedicating their money into this SPAC, right? There's institutions that are owning 64% already. Mutual fund are adding this SPAC 4.6%. Bill Ackman added already to his own mutual fund. And then there's also individual shareholders that are like us, that aren't in it yet because it hasn't been updated, but there are a lot of institutional shareholders because they believe in Bill Ackman and what he's planning on achieving and the company he plans on merging with. Like I said, guys, Bill Ackman has experience with SPAC mergers. He already did one with Burger King. He's made several billions of dollars with this. And the good part is the floor for this company is only $20. Unlike the other SPACs where the floor is all the way down to $10, this one is only a $20 floor. So if the merger doesn't go through, you really can't lose too much with this company, right? So guys, Bill Ackman isn't just some brand new hedge fund guy. This guy is a very smart guy. He made $2.6 billion off this market crash. He shorted the market. All he did was put $27 million into it in March, and he said the market is going to crash, and he made a 9,500% return in less than a month. That's a $2.6 billion from a $27 million investment shorting the market. This guy knows what he's doing. He's not just going to be randomly picking out any specific company to merge with. He wants a real, true unicorn, mature company that he can invest, put his $4 billion he's raised and his additional $3 billion he plans on investing as well into this. So guys, just know that you are pretty much putting yourself in a unique opportunity for investing into this merger. It's a company that companies that I think they might target might be someone like Stripe, right? That's an investment company. Or Chick-fil-A, right? He already done with something with Burger King. I think he has something down the line. He could probably be doing Chick-fil-A as well, another restaurant. This guy probably would do that because I think he has experience in the restaurant business. So Chick-fil-A could be a definitely good target for him to go into, right? This guy may not be perfect. He has also lost a lot of money in the past. He tried shorting Herbalife. That's a company he failed miserably, and he lost several $million as well. And guys, right now it is a SPAC mania. Pretty much SPACs have been on at an all-time high. So definitely be careful choosing this SPAC. So a lot of people are speculating, saying this is a bubble. We're approaching a bubble, and this deal may not go through. So no, there are some risks involved getting into this SPAC. However, there is a lot more upside than there is any downside. Thanks again for watching my videos. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I do post my buys, my trades, and anything else I find regarding some research about stocks. I do post it on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. Also, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you'd like me to do a video on, or if you have a question on specific stock, let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help you out. And right now, just make sure you guys add WeBull as one of your brokerage accounts because they are giving 4 free stocks right now. So if you want 4 free stocks from my WeBull, check out my link in the description box below. All you got to do is sign up and they give you a free stock. And when you make a deposit of $100 or more, WeBull will give you an additional 3 more stocks for free, each with a minimum value of $8 all the way up to $1,600. So check the link in the description box below. If you want another free stock, FirstTrade gives really good stocks. Check that one out as well. And if you guys want another free stock, Robinhood gives pretty good stocks as well. Check the link in the description box for all these free stocks. Thanks again so much for watching my video. And until next time, make money with Mike.